The next step is actually creating those descriptor profiles, and there are two different ways you can go about doing so. Option one is to create them while you link them to your actual pieces of media, so to those interviews, or you can create them from this workspace by hitting the addition icon in the upper right, and then you would link them afterwards. So I'm going to demo both options here. First, I'm going to create some descriptor profiles from this workspace. So I'm going to select Add New Descriptor in the upper right corner. And then you'll see a window where you get to create the specific profile for that piece of media. So let's say this is Sarah. So woman, brown. She was interviewed at research site B. She is 28, identified as heterosexual, and I'm going to include her name. And then hit submit. Now you'll see we have a descriptor profile for Sarah. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more. Right, so now we have 3 participant descriptor profiles here, and now we can link them to our pieces of media. You have a couple different options for how you want to do this as well. You can actually do it from this window by selecting the 0 in the linked media column. So if I do so, this is Sarah. I'm going to select that 0, and then a list of your media files are going to pop up. Since this is Sarah, I'm going to find Sarah here and then hit link. So now Sarah's interview is attached to Sarah's descriptor profile, and we can see all that information here. Another way to link these profiles is to go to your media workspace and then find the participant you want to link a descriptor profile to. So for instance, we also had Delphine. I can find Delphine. I can click on that 0 in the descriptor column, and then I can find Delphine's descriptor profile here, and then hit link. Now, if you choose to create your descriptors as you're linking them to your documents, you can do so by going to your media workspace, and then let's say we wanted to create a profile for Donnie. I'm going to navigate to Donnie's row, his media file, and then I'm going to choose this 0 next to his name. And again, you're going to be taken to this screen that shows any current descriptor profiles in your project. Since we do not have one for Donnie, I'm going to hit the Create and Link Descriptor button on the lower right. And this brings up that window again where you can create this descriptor profile for this participant or this media file. All right, I filled out all of his information and now I can hit submit. And we'll see now we have Donnie added to our participant list. And if we go to our media workspace, we have a 1 next to his name. And if we go to our descriptors workspace, we see him listed along with our other participant profiles. So as you can see, there are multiple different ways to go about creating and linking those descriptors. What we demonstrated in this video was the manual approach, and in a different video, we're going to show you how to import a spreadsheet to circumvent having to do all of this work manually.